Hello, in front of me I have GARMIN Epix Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time settings on this device. First, we need to press and hold the Up/Menu button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, scroll down, keep scrolling down until you find the System option, tap on it, scroll down, tap on the Time option, and here we have a couple of settings we can customize. First, let's change the time. So select the option called Set Time, tap on it, select the Manual, and now we can scroll down, tap on Time, and we can adjust the time by swiping up and down. Then we can tap on Minutes, set the minutes, and then we can tap on PM or AM and tap the check mark to confirm. As you can see, the time changed. You can also change things like time format. So for example, if you want to use 24-hour time format, you can do it by tapping on 24-hour. You can also use the military format if you want to. I'm gonna select 24-hour. Next we have date format, and here we can select day, month, year, month, day, year, and year, month, day. Select what you like by tapping on it. Next we have alerts, and here we can basically set up some alerts, like if you tap on till sunset, you can select status on and then tap on time, and here you can set the time. So for example, 10 minutes before the sunset, the alarm will ring, basically like this. Next we have till sunrise, it's the same option, and hourly. So if you want to get the chime every hour, you can enable this option and it's gonna ring every hour. And next we have a last option right here. We have time sync. Basically you can sync the time with your phone if you want to. Okay. And that's how you change the date and time settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.